Hello, my name is Carlos Vargas. I'm a program manager in the SQL Server Team. I've been working for the past 2 years in AlwaysOn, or as we internally knew it, the Hedron project. I'm super excited now with SQL Server 2012. We used to call it Denali, made available for customers, and especially now with AlwaysOn being able to support mission-critical applications, providing really high levels of high availability and disaster recovery support. So I was thinking, what would be interesting, for you to hear about, my perspective on AlwaysOn and my experience with the product. So I thought about a couple of things. One is I would like to share with you what are the top 3 features that I like, the 3 features that I'm most excited about. And then I would like to mention what are the 3 moments that I'm most excited about and the 3 moments that made me most proud of working for the AlwaysOn project. So in terms of the 3 features that I'm most excited about, the first feature is going to be multiple secondaries. So with multiple secondaries, we support up to 4 secondaries, right? You can have your primary plus 4 secondaries running, and that increases the redundancy of your system. So with this, we ensure that even if the primary or one of the secondaries fails, you still have up to 3 more secondaries available for failover, right? The other second feature that I'm really excited about is active secondaries. So with active secondaries, now it is possible for you to offload your read-only workloads as well as your backups from the primary to the secondaries. With this, now you can make use of your secondary hardware for something else than just standby servers. So it's a very cost-effective way for you to go and use your IT environment. So the final feature that I'm really excited about is, in general, the cross-feature support that we offer. So given that AlwaysOn is itself a platform system, we support all the different programmability surfaces that SQL Server supports, things like full text, file stream, service broker, and now file table. Specifically, file table makes for really cool demos. So the fact that you can create a Windows file chair and register it as a file table chair, and now you can just drag and drop files into that chair, and AlwaysOn will make sure that those files are available after failover so that you can go and directly open the files through the Windows file system, is really, really cool and makes for really cool demos. So those are the 3 features that I'm most excited about. The other thing that I want to talk to you about is what are the 3 moments that I'm really, really excited about. So the first moment that I'm really excited about was the moment when we released or we signed off CTP3 refresh. So you may be a little bit confused about what CTP3 refresh is, and the reason is that this CTP was actually a private release that we made available only to around 40 internal tab customers. So this was the first production-ready AlwaysOn release, and it was the release where we felt really confident about to make the promise to customers that they could go and run their first mission-critical applications on top of it. So besides of multiple external customers that run their mission-critical applications on top, we have some internal customers as well. So in fact, we were running our full payment system or SAP system on top of it. So obviously, we have to be really confident to make sure that in case there were anything bad, we are not going to be paid, right? And a lot of people in Microsoft are going to be really upset about it. So we have to be really confident about it. The second moment that I'm really excited about was, or is actually, every time that I go into the internet and I see forums or blogs from people like you, praising AlwaysOn, the set of capabilities and features that we support. So it's a really, really exciting moment every time that I see, these blogs and forums, especially when, they come from some people. Sometimes historically, they have been hard to please. So when they go and talk, positively about AlwaysOn, it's a really exciting moment. And the final moment is, and I'm actually having a lot of those moments right now, is every time that I go to conferences and I present AlwaysOn to people, and I show how you can configure your high availability and disaster recovery environment using Management Studio in 3 or 4 clicks. It's really exciting, seeing how people get super happy about the simplification of configuration and management for this solution. It's a great time. Historically, high availability and disaster recovery has been, has required a lot of expertise, but in this case, in AlwaysOn, we have made it really, really simple for you guys to use. So those are the things that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you have found it interesting and see you around.